Yo guys, so for this trick I want to find the 4 aces. So to do this I first need to shuffle the cards just like this, just like I would normal. And now I have to just snap with my hands and the card just flies to my hand, just like this, the first ace. Now I need to do a riffle shuffle, and once the riffle shuffle is done I have to do a cut. This is really important, so I can take a ace out of the middle, just like this. And now this one is a bit harder. I have to do a really nice riffle shuffle just like this, and now take a random pile out of the deck. That should make the third ace. Now for the last ace, this one is extremely hard. I need to first do a overhand shuffle, then an one-handed cut, and then there should come one card out of the deck just like this, and I just spin it in my hands, the last ace out of a completely shuffled deck. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you liked the trick that you just saw and that you made it into the tutorial. So the preparation for this trick is really easy. Just take the 4 aces out of the deck and place them on top and you're ready to go. Now I just showed you in the trick some shuffles, some false shuffles, and I made a video about it, so if you want to learn them you can watch it here. And the first false shuffle I did was the overhand shuffle. So a quick tutorial: just shuffle with a injogged card just like this, then get a thumb break and shuffle until you are at the thumb break. So now all the 4 aces are back on top. Now I did a top shot. So how to do that? I already did a video about it here. You have to grip it like this: thumb, pointer, middle, ring, and pinky. And your middle and ring finger are curled inwards. And your pinky is gonna push the cards on top down. And that will make the cards fly. So this one you have to really practice. And when you know how to do this, it's really cool to do. And by the way, you can adjust the trick however you want. This is just an example of how you could do the trick. But for the second ace, I think I did a false riffle shuffle and a cut on the end. And then I pretended I did a middle shot, but secretly I put the cards on top on the table, just like this. So how to do this? You have to cut the cards like this, half of the deck. You're gonna place your pointer here. You're gonna make this motion, and your pointer is still on the cards, so that will make the cards go out of the deck. And now the spectators will think that this card came out of the middle, but secretly it came from the top. So for the third one, I did a riffle shuffle, just like this, and I let the top 2 cards be on top, that are the aces, and then one random card on the 2 aces. And then I said, okay, I'm gonna take a random pile out of the deck, but I just slided off 1 card and just place everything on top. And now you can show, look, again, there is an ace. So for the fourth one, this one is actually pretty hard to do. You have to first do an overhand shuffle, but just slide off 1 card and just continue to shuffle. Now the ace is on the bottom, and I don't know if I can get it on the camera. I can try. You have to grip it with your middle finger and your pointer like this. This is a really weird grip, and if you have small hands just like me, it's even harder, but you get used of this. And now you have to come over with your thumb and just cut off like half of the deck. And you're gonna rotate the cards by just holding it between your pointer and your thumb, and then you're gonna move it under the other pile. So now the ace is here and a random card is here, and you're gonna push with your pointer the ace out of the deck, and you're gonna place the card just like this, like 90 degrees, and you're gonna place your middle finger here and just push, and that will make the cards fly. But this takes some practice and you need quite stiff cards, so the card will fly like you saw in the performance. But when you know how to do this, it's really cool and actually not that hard. So good luck. So I hope you guys liked the trick and the tutorial, and if you did so, please do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more card tricks, you better check out this video because that's a pretty cool card trick. So see you later. Ciao.